Welcome back to the GoEngineer YouTube channel. I'm Gary. In today's video, I'm showing you how to test a network connection for the SolidNetWork License Manager, including a ping and telnet test. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. To ping a server, first open a command prompt. To do so, type the letters CMD into the Windows search bar and press enter. With the command prompt open, type the word ping followed by a space and the server name. If the server name is unknown, the IP address can be substituted. Press enter. If the ping test is successful, it will show a response time. If it fails, the command prompt will show a timeout error. If it does fail, it indicates that the machine you're performing the test on is unable to communicate with the server. Or the server name was misspelled, as seen here. My response time here is less than 1 millisecond because I'm pinging my own PC. But for a network connection, the response time will be longer. Anything below 50 milliseconds is considered normal. Anything significantly higher than this might lead to timeout issues with the licensing software. If the ping test succeeds, it's time for a telnet test. To perform a telnet test, we first must turn on the telnet. To do this, open the Windows control panel. You can do this by searching for Control Panel on Windows. Go to Programs, then Programs and Features. In this window, select Turn Windows Features on or off. In the new dialog box that pops up, check the box for Telnet and click OK. Click Close to exit out of the window. With the telnet enabled, go back to the command prompt or open another one if you closed it. Type in telnet, then a space, then the name of your server, another space, and finally the port number. For the SolidNetWork License Manager, we want to test both ports 25734 and 25735. We will need to perform the telnet test separately for each port. After entering the correct syntax for the telnet test, press enter on your keyboard. If the telnet succeeds, it will open another window with a flashing cursor. This means that the machine you're on is able to communicate with the server through the port you just tested. If it fails, it means that the port is not open and needs to be addressed in the firewall settings. I'm going to go ahead and test the other port here. As you can see, both ports are currently open on this computer. If one of them was closed, this is what the response would look like. IT will need to open these ports in the firewall if this happens.